news for you. You get a chance to see the incredible, spectacular magician, Slick Slime Sam! Here he is! Greetings, dear audience. This is really me, Slick Slime Sam. You know, dear viewers, there are many things in the world that are amazing, incredible, stunning! Oops, wrong picture. Magical things! But the most magical things are the ones you can make with your own hands. And today, I will show you one of my favorite magic tricks. But I won't be doing it alone. Please welcome my beautiful assistant, Susie!
Oh, great, Sam. What are we going to show our audience today?
Tell me, Susie, can you make coins not visible but still present?
I'm not sure. Probably not.
And can you make a half whole again?
A half whole again? It would be great, but no, I can't.
But that's what we're going to show our viewers today, Susie!
Brilliant!
Do you know what I enjoy reading recently, Susie?
What, Sammy?
Comments from our viewers!
Oh, I love reading them as well. So inspiring.
I've set aside several special comments.
Well, you can show them as soon as we finish our current project.
Deal. I'll ask my assistant to bring out the box that will be the base of our magic trick.
See for yourself. The box is completely empty.
First, it is necessary to cut out an opening in the box. Please, Susie.
Be careful when you repeat this trick at home. This cutter's very sharp.
Abracadabra! Ugh, the opening is ready. Thank you. And now my assistant will perform her signature trick.
With one movement of my hands, I'll add a pretty bow.
I need to check the work of my assist. What's this? How? We need it for the trick. Please, Susie, glue the glass to the box.
1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll put the glass inside. Now let's allow the glue to dry.
What do you think we're going to need next, dear Susie?
Next, we'll need this magical holographic paper.
And as we've recently learned, holograms are modern magic.
Modern magic isn't half as bad as good old magic, right? Dear viewers, which holograms have you seen? Write in the comments below.
And also write which magic tricks you like most of all.
And we'll use this holographic paper for our magic device. We'll give it the shape of the box like this. Then, I'll take it out. Remove the protective layer. And stick it inside the box.
Thanks to the magical sticky layer, the paper will be held securely.
Yeah. Done. Oh, great, Sam. What's next?
Are you ready to learn to make a half hole again, Susie?
Oh, of course. This half of a plastic butterfly?
Yes. You also need a mirror. Stick the butterfly to the mirror, Susie.
This is rather unusual, but all right. I'll stick some tape on it. So, can I have the mirror, please?
Yes. Yes, I was checking its quality.
Ta-da!
The butterfly is whole again!
And it'll decorate our magic coin box. I'll put the mirror inside.
Hurry! Quick! Susie!
I'm here! What's the matter?
Well, the comments! We need to show them!
All right, which comment would you like to start with?
This one.
Sam's evolution?
What? It's a serious matter. Maybe I am special because I've evolved from candy.
So that's why you can't live without them?
Yep.
Then here's another commentary for you.
Sam is a drama llama. I'm a llama. Huh. Though it has a certain ring. I'm a drama llama. I'm a drama llama.
You're a drama llama? That's what I'll be calling you now.
Actually, some people think that I deserve walking the red carpet. Especially if it's made from candy.
A red carpet made of candy. Are you sure you're gonna reach its end and not eat it all?
I need to think it through.
While you're thinking, I want to show you one comment you might find very familiar.
Oh, yeah! Kitty! That big comment with a craft description?
Yep, I think it's been posted 100 times.
That's a loyal fan for ya.
Look at this.
That's some enthusiasm. I wish we had more energetic comments like this.
And fans, right?
That's right. But really, Susie, we bring positivity, see?
It's amazing to know that people watch our videos and their day turns from sad into wonderful.
Wonderlicious!
I'll remember that. Guys, thank you so much for your comments. We read them all and they make our day.
Soon, we'll share even more of your comments. Maybe yours will be there?
All right, let's go and show our trick.
Sam is a drama llama. Sam is a drama llama.
And my wonderlicious friend, we'll throw a carpet of candy in front of you.
Oh, yeah! And before we see our incredible device in action, I'll show you one simple but impressive trick. Here we have 3 chocolates. And let's say you want to share these chocolates evenly for you and your friend. But you can't divide 3 by 2! That's why you need to magically remove this flaw. And now you can beautifully divide 2 chocolates evenly between 2 people. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Susie, please bring out our device.
How will it work?
I'll make coins disappear from view, but they will remain inside.
Ooh, but how?
Look, there's an opening on top. We'll take a coin, throw it in. You can't see the coin.
But I can hear it moving inside. Incredible! Bravo! Bravo!
You can try it yourself.
Dear audience, if you liked today's performance, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, not to miss the next performance of the great magician, Slick Slime Sam.
Until we meet again, dear viewers.
Hey guys, I'm off to assist Sam with creating a new magical performance for you. And he'll be really delighted to get 3,000 thumbs up for this one. He tried really hard. Thanks!